Welcome to DriveSafe Driving School's Safety Sessions. This video series is designed to give you a clear insight into safe driving techniques, whether you're a parent who is getting ready to instruct a child for the first time, a freshly licensed driver who is uneasy about the roadway, or a new driver who has just obtained their permit. These lessons will give you the helpful direction that you need to practice these maneuvers and build a great working knowledge of how to drive a motor vehicle and navigate the street safely. We'll focus each of these lessons around the IPD process. This is the mental process by which we search, evaluate, and execute everything we do on the roadways. Since practice is key for each of these skills, try working on one aspect of each lesson individually, rather than try and master the maneuver the first time around. Practice makes perfect, and with safety sessions, we'll get you rolling.